Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Tradingview to make money full guide. Open an account, set up your chart layout, and enable alerts to capture opportunities. Learn to read candles, add indicators like RSI and moving averages, and spot trends with multi-timeframe analysis. Practice on paper trading before risking capital. Define entry, stop loss, and take profit levels, and keep a trade journal to refine your edge. Start by choosing symbols and timeframe tailored to your style, and save templates for consistency. Master drawing tools to mark support, resistance, and pattern levels for clearer decisions. Combine indicators like RSI, MACD, and 50/200 moving averages for confirmation, and avoid indicator overload. Set alerts for price, indicator crossovers, and volume spikes to stay on top of moves. Use replay mode to test setups. Control risk by risking a small percent per trade, and always calculate position size before entry. Use limit orders and manage slippage, and keep an eye on liquidity when trading smaller symbols. Diversify across strategies and asset classes to reduce correlation risk, and set realistic return expectations based on win rate and risk reward. Record trade rationales to avoid repeated mistakes, and review monthly to adapt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.